154, baby, done. We wanted a 150k boat, we got one. Just heading back, you'll see the footage. 154, recorded the whole thing, got it on camera. Few issues that we can still get out of the boat, but we hit full throttle today and held it there. So can we go 160, 170? We're probably going to have to prop up and change the props. I'll tell you more about it in the rest of the video. Heading off to run the boat. It's in the back, that's how we carry it. And with a few cars and stuff, that's how it's carried. Nothing really pretty, but let's see if we can beat 128, 128k. Let's see if we can do it. Head down the lake now, we'll see what happens. Deep it is. And it's screaming. That's full throttle. It's wide open.
And it's still picking up speed.
Yeah, it's still picking up speed. I need a run off.
Cooling's working, I could see it.
Just stop it, let the waves go.
Fast, I think.
Rightio. Yep. Okay. Stop. Read. 154. Just cracked it.
I cannot see it. Stop moving. My goodness. It's there. It's just very dark. 154.
Definitely dragging.
GPS on?
Yep. A deeper run, setting new benchmark.
Very far up. Attacked by flies. You could have kept going, man. You had quite a bit more room.
Sticking the steering stick in there when it's in the steering.
Yeah.
I was flat out for a while. that boy over there.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Full of wheelie.
So we can create a shadow for this thing. Very sunny out here.
I need to get like
Okay.
really close in to be able to see it. No, tilt back.
Tilt that.
Yeah.
Stop. It's going to be down the bottom there. Read. No way. 154 again. We did 154 again.